Today I'm going to show you how to transform this painting into this beauty by using something you may have already in your cabinet. I had this left over from my sheleeart blooms when I started. You may have some neutral base in your cabinet and not know what to do with it. I decided to do a little testing, and this is what I came up with. Follow along. Enjoy this ride. Watch that final outcome and get those old paintings out that you weren't 100% thrilled with and start blooming. You're gonna love it. So far, I've taken about 2 to 3 ounces of the Clark & Kensington, and this was a high gloss enamel, and it was a neutral tint base. And I added a small scoop of the heavy gloss gel from Golden. You can use any heavy gloss gel that you have, just to thicken up the paint a bit. And I mixed it thoroughly, just to make it a little heavier, so it would hold my paints, or in this case, this little piggies. I wasn't thrilled with the first outcome, so I just added a little more of that paint, and I'm going to try again. All my paints are listed in the video and in my description below. Please follow along, enjoy some music, and wait for the final result. You're gonna love it. Ask any question you want in the comments below. I'll be glad to get back to you. I do answer all my comments. I'll catch you at the end.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The road that harmony, and the old ones gone under the night. And I can feel the sun on my skin. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rage. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to buy. borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
I'm just cleaning up my sides here, and I'm hoping for the best. If everything works out the way I think it should, all of this should, most of this should disappear into the background, and I should just have my bloom paints and my cell activator laying on top of the painting. So let's see what the dried results bring. This is the painting before, and this is what it was transformed into. How beautiful is that? I wasn't able to take this outside to give you the dried results in the sunlight. Of course, we have not had any sun here in over a week, so this dried results is inside. Not optimal for dried results, but beautiful nonetheless. Look how gorgeous those piggies look. This painting did come absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about this and what you think about this whole process. We can use up lots and lots of old paintings like this, and lots of that old paint that's been hanging around in gallons. I'm happy about that, and I'm going to be using up some of my paintings this week. So let me know in the comments below if you like Orientation 1 or Orientation 2. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, and laughter. Be safe out there.